Angela Woolfield, Excellence in Geometry Honors, Einstein Award, Beta Club members for 2011-2012, member of Gold Level Awarded Math Counts Club, Superintendent's Award Highest GPA, President's Scholar Award, Excellence in Language Arts, Administrative Recognition for a perfect score on Geometry End of Course Exam. Excellence in American History. Math Department Recognition for a perfect score on Geometry End of Course Exam, a Chronicle, and a ticket to high school.
That's my sister!
Allison Kemp. Science fair participation. Certificate of Achievement for Mrs. Bell. Achievement in Algebra. Challenger PTSA Reflections Program participant. Principals List High Honors. President's Scholar Award.